Hey everyone, here Luma Auto, we're going to use the graphene spray. This is one of the best deals out there. It's a chemical that's was produced about 15 years ago, I guess, and it's really coming to the market and getting popular. Graphene spray, it's got to be in there. It's people have been talking about it. I've got an article on my website, lumaautomotive.com. Take a look. I'm going to do a deal where this Tesla here definitely needs some work, so I'm going to use one side clean, one side not clean, so you can see what's going to happen. All right, so real quick, we're going to do this. All right, here we go. So we just did it, put the graphene on there. Big difference, right? Can you see it? Hopefully this comes through. You can see the quality is definitely there. See, this is what it looks like when it's not done, and then this is like maybe 10 minutes of work here, and huge difference, right? So you can even see on the glass here. Let me grab a few pictures so you guys can see it. I can put it online. So thanks again, lumaautomotive.com. Thank you.